asing dua-duanya. Samin sakit. Baik, baik. Kau.
I've been alone inside my mind, and in my dreams I keep dreams, 'cause all the time, as you can see, joy outside my door. Alone, is it me you're looking for? I can see in your eyes, I can see your smile, your eyes never wanted, and you walk on the wall. 'Cause I know just want to see, just I know just want to do. I want to tell you so much.
Nanggagi sana.
Love you.
Andra.
They long to see if you're the sun in your head, and the very time and time again. Sometimes I feel my heart will overflow. Just see you talking on, 'cause I wonder where you are, and I wonder what to do. Are we somewhere feeling lonely? There is someone loving me. Tell me how we love you, for I haven't got you. But at this time I say I love you. I love you.
I have been searching all of my days, all of my days. Many a road, you know, I've been walking on, all of my days. And I've been trying to find what's been in my mind, as the days keep turning into night. Well, I have been quietly standing in the shade all of my days. Watch the sky breaking on the promise that we made. And I've been trying to find what's been in my mind, as the days keep turning into night. Many a night I found myself with no friend standing near, all of my days. I cried aloud, I shook my hands at what I'm doing here, all of these days. For I look around me, and my days keep turning into night.
We are here today to declare our love for each other and officially unite our families.
Yay!
We're delighted to celebrate our love of fruit trees and each other in this most special and magnificent location. Michel, mon chou frisé, I offer myself as your loving husband to dream together and challenge each other, to share in each other's ambitions and grow together. I accept and love you for who you are and will support you through our triumphs and failures. Whether Mora Mora or Malaki Laki, we will inspire and comfort each other, explore and learn together, build and create a home and family together.
I promise to create a life for us full of connection and wildness and travel. I promise to inspire us to venture into new territory and to be curious and inquisitive about our journey together. I also promise to keep updating our vows, because one set of vows will never be enough for a lifetime, and of choosing you again and again each day. I can't wait to play with you for the rest of my life.
This baobab fruit symbolizes our love. Taken from the tree of life, it provides limitless energy and healing power to the people of Madagascar. Together, we are infinitely stronger.
Thank you. It's so much lighter than I had expected. Scott, I offer you this mango. The skin represents the love and protection that my love will offer you throughout the rest of your life.
Have either of you been married before?
No,
Has anyone forced you to get married?
no.
It is my honor to pronounce you husband and wife.
Cup runneth over, homes aplenty, coffers full. We're starting over. Half empty, half full. Cup runneth over. Horns aplenty, coffers full. We're starting over. I'd write you a story, but it loses its thread. And all my witnesses keep turning up dead. I'd paint you a picture of Pulaski at night. Come back to Chicago, city of life. Come back to Chicago. Starting over. I'd paint you a picture, but it never looks right. 'Cause I fill in the shadows and block out the light. I'd send you a postcard. It says Pulaski at night. Greetings from Chicago, city of light. Come back to Chicago, city of light. Come back to Moldova, city of light.
a ver a los novios. Cuida, al Cleto.